Ghana need to share Kane blaster footballer ya nano down kwenshia ye see ye ewo Turkey e maimu wanam so atwo na nano monsia do Christian Atsu Goes enne yaya mamre ne amane akwa akogya no kwan kra nanumu no ne hokani papa bi tese oba gina ne na so wontumi esu enti nsam atwato kra wo so oka ne yedi gya ne kunu kwan kra no wanwie emu nsam Adom TV kase etwaso.
For me today is the mortal remains of a beloved father and husband. I knew later that morning that God is going to call you home. And life alone,
Life before me today is the mortal remain of a beloved father and husband. I knew later that morning that God is going to call you home. In life, I love you, darling. In death, I do the same. It breaks my heart to lose you. You did not go alone, for part of me went with you. Your love is still my guide, and though I cannot see you, you are always on my side. You were always so full of life. You seem to be immortal. Your smile, your love, I see in our children's smile. You are never really gone, as part of you is within them. You are loved beyond words and needs beyond measure. But as you always say, God wins. In love, your wife.